All right, guys, so here's a cool feature I like about the Honda. Okay, so you hit this lock button twice. Actually, it's the unlock button twice. 1, 2, and then you hold it down, and then boom, everything opens up, the windows and all. So that's a good way to get fresh air in there. The other thing that I like about this is has a remote start. So you hit lock, and then you hold that. There it goes. So it blinked, it started, the engine's running. You can hear it. That's what pops up when it's running. When you open the door, guess what? It's still running when you're opening the door too. It doesn't die on you. All you do is you hop on in, you step on the brake right here, and then you hit this start button, and it stays running, and that's what you get. Okay, so now it's activated. It's turning on. Pretty sweet, huh?